reflection, not the mirror reflection, but thinking reflection, is like how when we eat food, eating the food is not enough. We need to digest it. To get the nutrition, what do we need to do? Digest it. So that is what, at least I think, is reflection. It is when I start digesting my learning or whatever I'm doing, and I get nutrition from whatever I did. So if I played 1 hour of piano, then after that, if I reflect back, then I'm digesting my learning. That's the way I look at it, but you can look at it differently. Anyhow, so let's begin with, so today's reflection is in two parts. The first part is review. We will review our week, right? How our week was. So you can again use your notebook, write down or draw or scribble or doodle or, yeah, write just words or write sentences, what you planned and what you did. If you planned lots of things, for each one write what all you did. If you planned few things, for few things write what all you did, and also write what else you did. You might have done a lot of things which you didn't plan. If you didn't plan at all, that's also okay. Still write or draw or doodle what all you did. Any which way, let's review the whole week. What happened in the whole week, right? So what I will do is, now I will play some music, and while I play some music, you guys draw what all, or write or doodle what all you planned and what all you did during the whole week, from last Monday to, no, Sunday to Saturday. Yeah, whatever. Right? Let me put some music while you start drawing. Somebody is joining in now. What we are doing is we are reviewing our whole week. So for others, ignore my talking now. People who are joining new, I'm talking for them. We are just reviewing, so we are writing or drawing what all we planned and what all we did. If you didn't plan, that's also okay. Still draw and write what all you did. If you planned and did, whatever, however. Right, Monica. So whatever you did, you planned it or you didn't. If you planned it, write down your plan also, or draw your plan also. If you did not plan, that's also okay. Still, you did a lot of things, right? So write what all you did, okay, while the music plays. Okay, so yes, Shanak, you can look at your schedule, but the idea is to now take a review of the whole week, what all you did, how was it, what went well, maybe draw a thumbs up there, what didn't go well, what you could finish, what you couldn't finish, what was fun, what was boring, right? You kind of journal, you're kind of journaling your whole week, right? Uh, so that's the whole idea, taking stock of the whole week. Yeah, it's okay. You did 60% of your planning, but then you would have done other things which you didn't plan. So draw those also or write those also. So I hope all of you are making a list or a story in your notebook, drawing what all you did, or write what all you did. How was it? One thought about each one of them. Okay. So I hope if you were moving your shoulders while the music was playing up and down, that means you're alive. That's good news. Okay, so that is the first part, which we will do every week. Every week we will start with a little review our whole week. We will look at our planning and we will look at our what all we did and we'll have some thoughts about it. It's like kind of just getting a broad glimpse about your whole week, especially your main things that you wanted to do during the week. Yep. Okay. So that was our week. Now let's move to the reflection. We'll kind of play a reflection game. This reflection game is similar to name, place, animal thing, kind of thing. So we'll not be playing name, place, animal thing, but it's kind of that. I'll giving you four of these, like name, place, animal thing, like that. I will be giving you some 3 or 4 prompts, and you have to do something with that prompt. Think about that prompt. Yeah. So I'll give you an example. And for each one, if you see, oh, others are also typing the same thing that I did, for that you get a point. So you have to keep your score. How do you get a point? Suppose for something I write that I took a bath. And if somebody else also writes they took a bath, then you are matching. So you get a point. Both of you obviously get a point. It is reminding me. So like that. So we'll come to the prompts, and the first one we are going to type in chat window. So are you ready to type in the chat window? Good. Now what you have to share in the chat window is 4 things, like name, place, animal thing. This is kind, find, mind, grind, right? You have to write one thing or one person whom you were kind to. Then you have to write one thing that you found new. That's fine. Then you have to write one thing that was tricky for your mind in the whole week. And the grind is when you really work hard, like a grinding wheel going round and round and round. So, what is that one thing you really grinded yourself on? So, you have to write 4 things in the chat window. And if somebody else writes the same thing as yours, you get a point, right? Both get a point. Yeah. So start thinking and sharing in chat window. You can share one, one, one. You don't need to type all the four at the same time. Do I need to repeat? Is everybody clear? One thing that you were, one person you were kind to, what you were grinding on, what did you find new, and what was tricky for your mind? Hmm? Okay, Sabha is saying she was kind to a kitten. Naomi was saying kind to my pet. She's saying kind to my brother, in spite of him being annoying. Nalini saying she found French learning. Rupert was kind to his legs. Oh, Nidhi is also kind to her brother. So now you've got one point, Nidhi and Shreya. Okay. Then Advay was kind to his friend. Darshit kind to music. Shaunak was kind to mom. Sabha was grinding English poem. Somebody else was grinding maths. Okay, Nakshata was grinding with the son. Skanda was kind to a dog. Was the dog also kind to you, Skanda? Mm, Naomi found new things in geography. Drupat find out what is aspartame, whatever that is. Ibni was kind to a friend. Oh, so that means somebody else was also kind to a friend. You get a point. Monica was kind to a sister. Achillesh to a friend. No, cat. Mishti to a friend. Another one to a friend. Shaunak was find his grinding, finding my lost thing. Okay, so that's like a double. Grinding also, finding also. Sabha's mind was finding it tricky, this Arohi pattern. Smriti was kind to her brother. Darshit found a new song. Leela was kind to herself. Somebody found new things in Slack. Nidhi was trying tricky sambar making. Leela found new in breakout rooms. Skanda found a new route. Shika new Spanish. You found new Spanish. What was tricky on your mind? You can write those also. And for Nalini, French was tricky. For Ibni, grammar was tricky. Shaunak for new is homeschooling. Skanda found new designs for bookmarks. Nidhi was grinding hard on math. Leela was grinding hard on decision making. All the maths grinders get a point. Okay. Ibni found something in English language, growth of English language. Darshit was learning spinning. Shreya, tricky was cooking. And what were you cooking, Shreya? Gina was being with her son was tricky. Was it tricky for him also, Gina? Achlesh, mine was bats, kangaroo. While for Shaunak, maths was simple. For Sunita, the grinding was creating, implementing a new program. Naomi found a way to start storytelling business. Okay, I think we've done enough of kind, find, mind, grind. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, for the next one, we will go to the breakout rooms. Yeah, but first, let me share what you need to do. So maybe in your notebook, share this because you need to write this down. Okay. You have to do three things. Okay. In the whole week, when were you like Mercury? Mercury is closest to Sun. So who was or whom you felt really close to? That is one. Second is beautiful like Venus. Okay. And what you did that was beautiful for somebody, not just for yourself, but for somebody that was beautiful. And Mars is the red planet. Okay. Mars is the red planet. Uh, so Mars is the red planet. So what was the most red moment for you when you were with others? Now, what does red stand? That you decide. What does it stand for you? So I hope you noted these three down in your notebook: closest, beautiful, and red. Three keywords. And then Aditya aunty will put you in a breakout room in another 10 seconds. And in breakout rooms, you on your mic and you share with each other. Yeah, all the three things. Sorry. Okay, just one moment. I need to find Aditya aunty. Okay. Right. You are the host, Aditya aunty. You can put us in the breakout room, please. And how many minutes? 5 minutes. Okay. We can shorten it also. Maybe. Okay. Okay. For 5 minutes. Okay. Have you got the 3 points in your notebook? Closest, beautiful, and red. Everything with others. Right? Adityanti is just about to put you in the breakout room.
Drupad and Devin, you're out of the room. Do you need any help?
Red moment means for me angry because Kanda was troubling me a lot.
Hello. Is the sharing done here?
Hello.
Yes.
Almost.
Yes, Aditi.
Aditi, Leela.
Aditi.
Hello.
Yes, Aditi, it's done.
Done, Leela.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, Aditi.
Yes,
Yes, we are done, Aditi.
you guys are done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be closing all the rooms now.
Okay, welcome back, everybody. I hope you could share whatever, whoever felt like sharing. If you didn't feel like sharing on the mic, that's okay. You can always share with somebody at home after the session, or you can draw in your notebook, or you can just think about it. That's absolutely fine. Right? Let's move out to the next one. Okay. In the next one is a simple drawing one, right? So I'll give you 6 prompts and you have to draw. Yep. If you are ready, just give me a R or a ready in the chat window. Are you ready to draw? I'll give you 6 prompts and you have to draw from your week. Oh, everybody seems to be very R and ready. Okay, so the first thing is something that you were very alert about. What were you alert, or when were you alert? Draw that. And when you finish the first one, just type 1 in the chat window. But draw in your notebook. You don't use the chat window for drawing. Or type A in the chat window. Ah, that's better. Type A in the chat window when you have done either 1 or A, any of that. Yeah. When or with what you were alert. Okay. The next one was what were you busy with, or what kept you really busy? And type B when you have drawn whatever kept you busy. What kept you busy this whole week? What was the busiest thing you did? And type B when you are done drawing your busy thing. If you are needing more time, that's okay. I will move ahead, but you can keep drawing, no issues. With what were you caring? So this caring is not with a person, but with a thing. For which thing were you really caring? And draw that thing. Not a person. We have already done the person round. This is a thing with which you were very caring. And if you have done that, type a C. Draw to what thing were you really caring? Okay, and after caring comes daring. In what were you really daring? So draw in what were you daring? In the whole week, in what were you most daring? And if you've done that, type D. Okay, and in what were you most excited, exceptionally excited, really, really excited? What was that one thing with which you were really, really excited? Draw that. Yep, you got the idea. Type E when you're done with the E. And oh, the Y came down, but F is for friendly. With what you were friendly? Again, a thing, not a person. Draw a thing with which you were friendly. And remember, friendly is different from caring. Okay. So alert, busy, caring, daring, excited, friendly. That's the week for you. Okay, so if everybody's done, let's move to the last round of this reflection. Okay. Yep. Can I leave this slide? Everybody is done. You can always, if you missed out something, you can draw it later or, yeah, draw it later. Yeah, simple. Okay. Right. So this one we will act out on video, which means you'll have to switch on your video in the breakout rooms. Aditya auntie will put us in the breakout rooms in just a little while. Okay. And what have we to act out of when you felt jealous, when you failed, and when you used creativity? Right? Three things. So think about it when, or rather note this down in your notebook: jealous, failed, creativity. If you don't know the meaning of any of these words, ask, take help of somebody around you in your home, right? Yeah, we are recording the session. Plus the presentation will also be available. That these two things will be there by default, right? So Aditya aunty, can you put us in breakout rooms? Remember,
To turn on your video and
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so I was not jealous in anything, like not jealous for anyone. I don't know when I failed. Maybe when I was jealous, failed, and
Yeah. Mr. Try acting out.
Use creativity. Sir,
Creativity.
use
Okay.
creativity.
Try acting out. Whosoever is speaking. I'm Aditya.
Okay. So, I am Mishti and I'm 7 years old. So I was
I think we're supposed to act it out also, no?
Yeah.
I'm here. Yes. Open your videos and act it out. Where were you jealous, failed, or creative? Yes, Nidhi's video is on. So you can act now, Nidhi.
Yeah, that's me.
Who is this?
This is Nidhi.
Hi. Okay, this
Hi,
is
Nidhi.
Nidhi. Okay. Hi, Nidhi. Yeah.
um,
Yeah. We want to see your acting skills. It's okay. If you're not feeling comfortable, you can take your time. Somebody else can start acting out.
yeah, can I do it after somebody else?
Yes. Take your time.
Thank you.
Anybody is ready? Naomi's eyes are sparkling and moving. Naomi, you want to go ahead?
When I felt jealous, I think,
Little act it out.
yeah, I'm trying to think of a way to
Okay,
act it out.
fine. Fair enough. Yeah. Okay, I'm leaving this room. You guys
Okay.
can now continue. If you
Sure.
need my help, ask for it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Auntie, for sharing.
Does anyone need help here? I'm Aditya.
I don't think so. We need
Okay,
help.
great. So then I'm leaving this room. Bye bye. All
Yeah.
of you are acting.
Advi, I think you are traveling, so it's not coming properly. So can you write on chat?
Okay, everybody back? Right. Yup, you can right now switch off your videos so that we save on the bandwidth. So these were the 4 activities of reflection. Okay. So you might be wondering, especially if you are new to Arohi, you might be wondering, why do self-reflection? So I want to invite old Arohi children, or rather old children of Arohi or whatever, to share why we do reflection, because they are very used to doing reflection. There's so many here: Achlesh, Advay, Avni, Darshit, Drupad, Devin, Ibni. Share why you think we do reflection. You have been doing reflection for, many of you have been doing for many years actually. Right? You can share in chat, you can share on mic. I will prefer mic so that we can hear you also. But it's okay to share on chat if you feel like. Existing children, share why we do reflection in Arohi. Any thought that's coming to your mind is fine. Oh, can't unmute. Aditi, can you unmute them? Advay. Okay, I can also try and unmute. Okay, Advay, try now. Yeah.
Yes, it is working.
Yeah.
I'm Advai. Sorry, Advai. However you tell, I tell, because you need to understand. I'm Advai. So the reflection we do in one day, so we improve in the next day. So what you can reflection the mistake which you did yesterday and improve it in today. So that's what I think is reflection, to improve from the next day.
Okay, so one reason why we do reflection according to Advay is so that we can improve on our mistakes. Who
So
else wants to say?
I am Darshit.
Yes, Darshit.
Other people can suggest that if you are doing correct or wrong.
Ah, okay. So you can get suggestions from other people or feedback from other people. Yes, Akhilesh.
Okay, I think like because we need reflection, because when we are become in future, so if I want to see what all I did when I was small, or when I'm going to a job, I need to show them. So for that.
Ah, so you're saying it's like a record of what all you have done in your life.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And even you can use it to get a job and all, which is called as portfolio. That is cool. Okay.
I'm Monica,
Yes, Monica.
and I think we do reflection to know what we did before, or by the week before us.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah.
We do reflection. Yeah, this is Skanda, by the way. To get to get clarity on different topics which we are doing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so Skanda gets clarity by doing reflection. Okay, that's nice. Thanks, Skanda.
So I think reflection helps you learn from your mistakes and yeah, basically understanding what you did wrong.
Okay. Okay.
Can I say something?
Gets out a new me, like in the next day, or once I've seen what I've done yesterday or today, I get more clarity and yeah, correct myself.
Okay, clarity, correct. Yeah, Mishti, you can share.
I was saying that, like if for suppose you have nothing to do, so like you can just, if you have written your reflection, you can just see what I can do when you were small, and then like for suppose now you have got a lot of work when you grow up. So then if you have got a little of free time, now you must have forgotten that you can do this, that, this, that. So if you just see a reflection, you can see it and you can start doing it again.
Awesome.
Like
Awesome.
bringing the habit again.
Yeah, awesome. Awesome. So we can revive our own skills and habits. Awesome. Okay. Okay. So those are some of the, anybody else wants to share? Those are some of the.
Me.
Okay. Who's
Hi, it's Miss
Smriti?
Smriti.
Yes, Smriti.
For me, what's reflection is you plan your day and what all you haven't done, you just write it. And it just, you forget and you can do that thing tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Right. So writing down helps you. Yeah,
Right.
sure.
Yeah, for me, reflection helps me to think what more I can do
Uh,
and what I can skip. I mean,
What more I can do? Okay. What I can skip also. That's interesting.
we can help. Like if I learn something, I can share for everyone.
Okay. Okay. There's a lot of background noise. Maybe you were walking and talking. Okay. Next time, do first talking, then walking.
Reflection means.
Yeah.
Can I share one more thing?
Okay. Share one more thing only, not two. Okay.
My name is Hazel. A reflection means what?
Yeah. Yeah. Carry on. Say more.
Okay, can I share?
Okay. Achillesh, share.
Okay, so what I thought is after 10 years, I want to improve myself.
Okay.
What I want to improve myself.
Okay. What you want to improve yourself? Okay. Yes, Achillesh.
So after 10 years, you can see what did you, so you can laugh about what all you did, and you can see, when I was small, I was creative, like that and all. So then I have one more thing, which is so I can create a story after 10 years, meaning I can publish a book.
Yes, your autobiography. You can write your whole life story. Awesome. Okay, okay, let's move ahead. I want one more help from all of you. I want you to tell us how all have you been reflecting? What are the different ways in which you have been reflecting over the last so many years? Yeah, especially children who have been in Arohi, you have reflected in so many different ways. So what all different tools have you used? Like writing down is one tool. What else have you used? We'll not use the mic this time. Let's fill up the chat window. What all different things have you been using for doing reflection, or different ways of doing reflection? So the how one. I mean, anybody can type, not just old ROE children actually, no, old, new, everybody can write. Okay, by acting, says Shreya, by dancing, says Shikha.
Drawing.
Use chat, not mic, use chat. Viji has raised a hand. Okay, maybe right now you can use chat window. By writing in a journal, yes, journaling, talking with others, yes, that can be a reflection. Videos, take your own video. By playing a game, says Smriti. By writing a journal, or by talking with parents, yes. By recording audio, says Achlesh. Doodling, I like doodling. Okay, writing in a board. Yeah, by keeping a diary or a journal. Skanda is saying by doing meditation. Awesome. By drawing, by storing in computer. Yes, Shanak, that's a good idea. Learning mala. Okay, so you make a garland of all your learnings. That's interesting. Yeah, while closing my eyes. Yeah, that's like of meditation or just thinking about it. Okay, so what I've done is, yeah, I've also made a small list. Yeah, you can. So this is just a small list. I'm sure there are more ways to do reflection. So thank you for everybody to sharing your ideas of how you can do. Okay, so our idea is that you can do your reflection daily, hourly, weekly. Weekly we will all do together on Saturday, but other days, Monday to Friday, I'll be posting a prompt in the reflection channel of Slack and you can post it there. Today's drawings also, you can take a photo and post it in the reflection channel. We like to see what you are doing or listen to you if you have recorded yourself. So keep sharing in the reflection channel your daily reflection if you are doing daily reflection, or weekly reflection. Anyway, on Saturday we will do all together. Yeah, and then we'll again start the cycle from Monday. Yeah, so this is kind of the end of the reflection session. But before we go, just a reminder, Monday is opening circle, 11 o'clock. Before that, if you can, make your plan what you want to do during the week before the opening circle and post it in the planning channel. Yeah, you can do it on paper and click a photo and post it, or type it directly. Somebody made a spreadsheet, somebody made time wise, somebody made a list. Yeah, so do slacking, and look into other channels also. Post club announcements will come, check out the club announcements and in different channels, and wherever you feel like, whatever you feel like, read, post, share. Okay, and let's sign off. For now, it's bye bye, unless Aditi, Leela, anything else that needs to be announced.
Bye bye.
Wait. How do you say bye bye? Every time we'll say it differently. So write down one thing that you would like to eat on Sunday in the channel. What one thing that you would like to eat, which is practical, which you think you can make or your mom or dad can make. Write it down in the chat.
Wait. Chat, okay.
In the chat, that's the way to say bye bye. Instead of saying bye bye, say dosa dosa, or say idli idli, or say omelette omelette, or cake cake, or what, or ice cream ice cream, or jalebi jalebi. So you have to say it twice, jalebi jalebi, like bye bye, like french fries, like crab crab. Wow, crab crab, samosa samosa, cookies. Avani, we can't eat bye. Say something that you would like to eat. Popcorn. Masala dosa masala. Chapati and kurma. Okay, Skanda has drawn ice creams. Okay, thank you. Tata, bye bye. Have a great Saturday, Sunday. Do your planning for Monday and keep slacking. Bye. From my side,
Bye.
it's mango. I go.
Bye bye, mango.
Bye bye, popcorn.